All right, things have been pretty crazy, and this video is going to be a little bit different. And to set the tone, we're going to start it off a little bit different. Here is some beautiful, epic, amazing footage of the landscape right in our backyard. This is between our house and Harrisonburg, Virginia, in Cross Keys, and this is about 65 acres of absolutely gorgeous sunflowers. And as you can imagine, everyone has been flocking to this little corner of Virginia to get pictures and all sorts of things. But one afternoon, I just had to get the drone up in the air and capture it. And I honestly have nowhere else to put it in a video than to just give it 2 minutes of its own time to remember the beautiful late summer sunflower field that was right in our backyard. But this video is going to be a little bit different. This was supposed to be a collaboration video between Erin and her mom and sister taking an epic trip to Boston, and me having all the kids and dogs back home in Virginia for 4 days. And unfortunately, that's just not how things went. So their trip didn't work out. They got stranded in the airport. You'll hear more about that. But we ended up doing what we could to get out of their way so they could have fun in our new hometown. And so the main thing we did was we headed to Luray Caverns. And so this video is going to feature some awesome Luray Caverns experience. Check it out. All right, the adventure begins.
Yeah.
Motherless. Okay, we are on the road for an adventure day to Luray Caverns. Erin's trip kind of blew up in their face. They got stuck at the airport, 9 hours of delays. They're not in Boston, they came home, but we are still gonna work our plan and they're gonna go explore Harrisonburg and Lexington, Virginia, and we're gonna stay out of their way for their girls trip, and we are gonna go see Luray Caverns. So here we go, Lindblad 7, on the road. So because the whole trip for them just got blown up, we were gonna do kind of a back and forth footage from our time, footage from her trip to Boston, but when all that went away, she just put the camera away and had fun with her mom and sister, and there was no footage to be had or moments to be captured for the purpose of YouTube. So they just had a fun time doing their thing. So we headed north to Luray Caverns. We did stop along the way and pick up an awesome antique cast iron wagon wheel that a nice lady was kind enough to just give us for free. We found it on Facebook Marketplace, but when she realized how far we came for it, she said we could just have it. And then we crossed over the mountain and found ourselves in Luray. And we live in Grottos, which is the home of Grand Caverns, but it was pretty cool to see just how big of a tourist attraction they have made Luray Caverns. If you've never been, I highly recommend it. All the caverns are cool, but this was our first time going into one of them, and it was a pretty epic experience. So check it out. There you go. I hope this isn't just for the garden maze. I'm gonna ask this guy before we go in. Hold on, guys, just wait here. Move over, guys. Look out, I'm trying to get this Virginia. That's super cool. Oh yeah, look at that. It's like a recreation. The caverns. Maybe there's a motorcycle or two in there. You want to do that now or later?
I want to check out the car.
The car. Antique transportation. They've got to have a motorcycle or two in there.
Oh, yeah. I don't know if we walk in that small peak for the couple.
Keep going, guys. Up the red path. Follow the red brick road. And then Toy Town. You guys wouldn't like that.
No. Cafe.
Keep it moving. Follow the arrow. It's right above your head. Keep on going. Keep on going. Through the gift shop, of course. Try to sell. Oh, look at these. Wow.
Can you buy those?
No. This way? Caverns entrance. Oh, here we go. Guaranteed. This way. I think it's this way. Caverns entrance.
I know where we enter.
We all know. We all heard. Just don't zip it. All right, here we go. Hello. Okay, we're all right here.
Alrighty. If you need extra
Now
pamphlets.
listen, did you hear what she said? One time through the cavern, so we're gonna make this visit count. Oh, see how it smells kind of wet? I wonder if, like when it rained, like last night, if like a ton of water comes in here. It is wet. All right, ready? Oh my goodness. How cool. Oh my gosh. Oh, I just got tripped on. Yeah, just be careful you don't slip. We're not gonna run. Look at all the lighting. Yeah. Wait till we get to the pipe organ spot. Stay on the red, please. Don't be walking on the stones. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. Wow. Could you, oh my goodness, could you imagine discovering all this?
It's a lady.
Wow. Yeah, it's all that water coming through the earth. Look at this. This is to redirect a bunch of water. They must have had a problem with this area getting too wet. Wow. That is so. Else's hands will make these not good. It can kill them and then they stop growing.
These things grow?
Yeah. They grow from the ceiling or from the ground. That's why that one that says please do not touch, it's dead. It won't grow anymore because too many people have touched it. What's cool is all the lighting that they've done.
Yeah.
Imagine doing this without the lighting.
Oh my god.
How freaking creepy.
Dad, it looks deeper than it is.
I know. It's it's an
And that's
optical
like,
illusion.
and that's like the sand.
Yeah.
It's like if you drink it. Hey, look at it.
Well, it's the reflection of the
That is
ceiling in the water.
There is so much cool stuff to see, and there's no chance that I would do any of it justice with my narration here. I will tell you that it is a self-guided tour. They give you a brochure on the way in, and everything is marked with numbers, so you can kind of figure out what sites and what landmarks you are looking at. what things they've given names to and everything like that. But it is very cool. I highly recommend it. They said it can take up to an hour and a half. We did it in about 45 minutes, but when you have 5 kids, you just kind of keep moving. There's only so much taking in of the sights that 5 kids can do. Eventually to them, it does all start to look the same, but it's very cool. I'd recommend it. And some of the other caverns actually give you a tour guide, and it's a bit of a different experience, but the Luray experience is pretty top-notch.
Oh look, there's actually an organ. Their lights revealed an astonishing sight. That's pretty cool. Oh look, there's a map of it all. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's a cool tree.
It is a cool tree, isn't it?
That yellow one over there.
Look at these these are very intricate.
So we did lunch outside, and then we went through the 3 small museums that they have attached to the gift shop area and everything. It's very cool. There's just a lot to see. They've done a really nice job making it worth your time. I would recommend a visit, and these are some pretty cool old toys that you can check out, and the kids absolutely loved it.
Oh yeah? Fort Reno. Look at the mountain. Is it big or small?
My
Let me see. Let me see, Goose, can we get it on camera?
it's small. It's so
Museum's this way. Fudge is that way. Oh yeah, that's cool.
It smells white.
That's cool.
What's that smell?
That's how they make the fudge. Look, did you see the fudge over here?
Oh, fudge. Oh, can you wait for
No, I think you just go. They just want to count how many people went through it. One at a time. Keep going. You can do it. No, push it, Anderson. All right. Okay, remember, oh, look at that. Holy moly. Is that like billows for a fire? They would push that to blow on it and heat it up. Holy cow. Look at these old license plates and stuff.
August, absolutely not.
Who are they?
That's Jack and Jill.
Really?
Yeah, haven't you heard the poem?
Oh, that's King of Souls.
Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water.
Yeah.
Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. That's Jack and Jill.
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the old king with
The King Jack and Queen Jill. Oh, look at the naked babies. It's never a bad day when you're looking at antique motorcycles and antique automobiles. Those are different kind of wheels through time, huh?
This is a 7 passenger.
Look how comfortable those seats are. Look at the dogs on the blanket. That's cool.
Do you think people rode in those and those blankets were on it? The Cadillac. I love.
Yeah, that's a Cadillac.
And it has like the old
Yeah,
Hudson.
I like
Check
this.
out that
Look at this Ford.
one. You trade your truck into that?
Dude, my truck wouldn't even buy the tire on it. Yeah.
She said, "Oh, are you going to Luray Caverns?" That's what she said.
No, she said Luray. Slow down. Hey guys, chill out. Let these folks through. Yeah. Oh, and this is what I would love to get for out front of the shop, like an old visible gas pump. Yeah, wow. These dioramas have been legit. That cave one was my favorite.
Oh, wow, that's like a little stream trickling into
Oh, the big river.
I love that.
So this was our adventure to Luray Caverns and the museums that are a part of it. We hope you enjoyed this one. We got a couple more awesome videos coming your way, so stay tuned, check them out, and thanks so much for watching.